Hi, I'm Melissa Matthews with the APH Connect Center. Welcome to our Bringing Braille Basics Home series. In this video, we will learn letters U through Z. The last 6 dots of the alphabet are created by adding dot 6. Let's get started creating some Braille using Perky Duck. SimBraille will allow you to see all 6 dots of the Braille cell. The cell that are being used will have larger black dots, and the cells not being used will be small black dots. You will use your keyboard. It uses 6 keys corresponding to the Braille cell to create the Braille letters we will learn today. Locate the letters F, D, S, J, K, L on your keyboard. F.1, D.2, S.3, J.4, K.5, L.6. Practice pressing 2 keys simultaneously. This will need to be done to create letters. Okay, let's get started creating some Braille. Using your left hand, place your fingers on dot 1, 2, and 3. Using your right hand, place your fingers on dot 4, 5, and 6. First, we will be creating the letters U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. To make the letter U, press dots 1, 3, and 6. Practice this 5 times. U, 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 U. To make the letter V, press dots 1, 2, 3, and 6. Practice this 5 times. V, 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 V. To make the letter W, press dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. Practice this 5 times. W, 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 W. To make the letter X, press dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. Practice this 5 times. X, 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 X. To make the letter Y, press dots 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Practice this 5 times. Y, 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 Y. To make the letter Z, press dots 1, 3, 5, and 6. Practice this 5 times. Z, 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 Z. Perfect. Let's put all of the letters in the alphabet together into practice. Zebra. Z, E, B, R, A. Wild. W, I, L, D. Yellow. Y, E, L, L, O, W. Under. U, N, D, E, R. Vault. V, A, U, L, T. Zoom. Z, O, O, M. And vest. V, E, S, T. Congratulations! You have finished Lesson 3. Practicing will help you be able to press the keys together to make the Braille letters. Below the video, you will find a document to further practice your Braille skills. In the next lesson, we will be learning the capital indicator and punctuation.